Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here, and happy Thanksgiving. Here in America, we celebrate Thanksgiving on this day. And, you may know, if you know much about me, you might know that I'm a Detroit Lions fan. Grew up in Detroit, Michigan. I've always been a fan of the Lions. Maybe you've seen my autographed Megatron helmet back here behind me. And, the Detroit Lions play every Thanksgiving Day and have since 1934. So I think this will be the 88th year that they played on Thanksgiving Day. And we used to go to the games a lot when I was younger. And they usually lose. This year they're playing the Buffalo Bills, and I'm not super hopeful because they're one of the best teams in the league. But I'll still be rooting for my team today. But I want to send you a quick message and share something with you, kind of a Thanksgiving message about something I've learned in my life that I think you might find useful and helpful. And it's what every happy person I've ever met has in common. By the way, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell so that you can get notified when these videos come out. But I've met a lot of people in my life, probably more people than you've met. I've traveled all around the country. I've done speaking and training in 47 different states. I've traveled, to Europe and all over North America, lots of different places. I have met hundreds of thousands of people, maybe over 1 million people that I've met. I just meet a lot of people on flights, in airports, at hotels, at conferences, people I meet playing sports, my kids, friends, parents. I just met so many people, right? Mostly through work. The nature of what you do is you probably see the same people every day, day after day, or a couple times a week. The nature of what I do is I'm meeting different people all the time. Thousands and thousands and tens, hundreds of thousands of people. And you know what? I've made some observations about these people. Some people, when I meet them, are super happy people. You just talk to them, they're just happy, right? That they have a gleam in their eye and a bounce in their step, and they love their life, and they love their family, and they love their friends, and they're just happy people. And when I meet those people, I talk to them. Hey, tell me about your life. Tell me about your values. Tell me about what's important to you. Tell me about your dreams and goals and what you're trying to accomplish. And you know what? No matter where in the country they are, different ages, different skin colors, different religious backgrounds, different personality types, different accents, but happy people, when I talk to them, they all talk about the same things. They have the same kind of things that they're focused on, that they prioritize, the same kind of behaviors that they do consistently. It's really not a very mysterious thing. It's pretty predictable. You know what else in my travels? I've met thousands of very unhappy people, people that don't like their life, don't like their careers, don't like their families and their spouses. They're just unhappy. And you know what? Different ages, different skin colors, different religious beliefs, different accents, different parts of the country, different educational backgrounds, different personality styles. But on the inside, the same kind of people. They think about the same thing all the time. They talk about the same things. They're offended by the same things. They value the same things. And so I've just seen some patterns over time. And a lot of the training I do is based on those patterns and observations. But there's one thing more than anything else that I think separates happy people from unhappy people. Every happy person I've ever met, the one thing that they have in common is that they are thankful. They're thankful. I've never met in my life a happy person who wasn't also a thankful person. I've never met a thankful person that wasn't also a happy person. And conversely, I've never met an unhappy person that wasn't also very unthankful. And I've never met an ungrateful person that wasn't deeply unhappy. And so on this Thanksgiving, this national day of giving thanks, I'm going to challenge you that you keep it going, not just today, but tomorrow and the next day and the next day. I think choosing to be thankful, right? An attitude of gratitude is the number one thing you can do if you want to be a happier person. It's a powerful, powerful thing. And by the way, you know what every unhappy person I know really has in common more than anything else? They think about themselves all the time. What about me? What about my feelings? You offended me. How dare you look at me that way? Don't you talk that way to me. They talk about themselves. They think about themselves. They're focused on themselves. Me, I. That is the path to unhappiness. Those people don't have a lot of friends. They don't like their careers. Their health is in decline. It's the path to unhappiness, and being unthankful and therefore unhappy, it could kill you faster than smoking cigarettes. It's dangerous. And so if you want to turn it around, here's part of why this is a powerful message. Some people are like, yeah, thankful, happy, blah, blah, blah. Happy people don't say that, but some people do. Here's why it's a powerful message. When I learned this in my life, that thankfulness was a path to happiness, here's why that was meaningful to me, is because I haven't figured out how to turn on happiness, right? I do have days where I'm feeling down, I'm feeling discouraged, I'm feeling a little blue. And I personally am not good at happiness. It's not a switch I can turn on. I've tried. Okay, be happy. Think happy thoughts. It just doesn't work for me. It's hard to choose happiness, right, at any given time. But you know what's not hard at all? Is to choose thankfulness. It's not hard, no matter what you're going through, to say, okay, I'm going to take a second and count my blessings. If you grew up like I did going to Sunday school, maybe you remember the song, Count Your Blessings. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done. We used to sing that all the time, right? And there's some wisdom in that. That when I am feeling down and I want to turn it around, here's what I've learned, is that the path to happiness goes through thankfulness. And so I'll be like, okay, what do I have to be thankful for? Well, I'm alive. Right? Any day above ground is better than the alternative. I'm thankful for my family. I got a beautiful, wonderful wife. We've been married for 31 years. I'm very, very thankful for her. I'm thankful for my kids. We got 3 amazing kids, and none of them are perfect, but they're all extraordinary, and I love them so much, and I'm so thankful. I'm thankful for, my Heavenly Father and the fact that He cares about me, even in spite of all my mistakes and horrible decisions, that He's still in my corner, right? I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful for my career. I'm thankful for my clients. I'm thankful for my customers. I'm thankful for my friends and my neighbors and the guys I play racquetball and pickleball with. And the list goes on and on and on and on. And no matter what a crap I'm going through in my life, I have more to be thankful for than I have to be upset about. And you know what? I have learned how to use Thanksgiving. Not Thanksgiving the calendar day, not Thanksgiving the holiday. Thanksgiving, the spirit of Thanksgiving, the action of giving thanks. I have found that is the path for me to turn around my feelings when I'm feeling down, right? That focusing on what I have to be thankful for. And frankly, not just like, thank you, but like sometimes, hey, I'm gonna write a little note, say, I appreciate you, man. You mean a lot to me, thanks. A little text. I should get better at sending notes to people, but I do send text messages to people and say, hey, I just want you to know how much I appreciate having you in my life. And that can turn my bad mood around faster than anything. So with that, hopefully you find that useful. So have a great Thanksgiving holiday today with your family. But you know what? Tomorrow, don't be the person who's fist fighting on Black Friday. Only in America, do we fight over things we want, one day after we spend a day thanking God for what we have. And so how about on Friday, hey, be thankful. And on Saturday, be thankful. And Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, a spirit of thanksgiving is going to help you have an epic life.